Hello everyone, we are back with another product review. Today we are looking at the ES44AC and HO scale with Paragon 4 sound in it. This is a very nice locomotive from Broadway Limited Imports. We'll get into a sound demonstration as well on it, but want to walk around and point out a few things here and there that we see and go from there. So, kind of starting off towards the front, you can see all the separately applied grab iron details, ditch lights, coupler, MU hoses, air hose. Very nice paint on the steps. There's, I don't know if you can see it in the video too much. There is see-through steps there. Man, it's kind of hard to see in the video, but nice detailed cab with interior in there. You will see that better as we power it up because there is a cab light. Nice PTC, everything like that on the roof for all of your antennas. Nice details moving back. Nice lettering. I like all the separately applied details, and then there's the rear. Let me flip this around. We'll get a picture from the other side. All right, looking at the other side here, this is the updated, by the way, I forgot to mention that, with the paint. As you can see, the UP shield and the mini flag on here, so that's nice to see. So coming along here, nice truck detail and nice fuel tank detail, air tanks. Very nice details all the way around. This is what it looks like on the top. I should have given you a little bit more of a top view. That's okay. Just like that. I like the builder's remarks here. That's always neat to see. Even the little decals up here on the cab, these look really nice, and really nice detail just to add in there. All the warning labels or the labels of where everything is at. You know, you can see that there on the nose. You know, even on the panels as you walk back along here, they look very nice. All right, let's get into the sound demo side of this. Okay, I am not going to go through every sound, but I'm going to show you some neat ones. We're going to go through the full startup sequence. You'll see all the lights come on. I'll point them out. I have a microphone sitting over there behind the locomotive. You probably saw it as I was giving the walk around. And so you should hear some very nice sounds coming out of this. But F9 is your startup sequence, so here we go. Notice the headlights, number boards, cab light, ditch lights. All right, so couple things to note. The lights are all controllable individually. You can control the number board lights separately from the headlight. The cab lights will shut off once you get above speed step 2, I believe is what it is. We'll show you that here in a little bit. The lights are very bright. We're just kind of at an angle, so you can't see it very well right now, but I will actually post a video here at the end of this one from nighttime running of this, just to see how bright it is. So let's go through a few sounds here. Bell, horn. You have your typical coupler sounds. So when you hit the button and then you move away, it'll unlatch or latch if you're moving. I already have a few things programmed on this. This will play start, forward, or reverse and stop horns if you're moving. So essentially going forward, if I throttle out, is the coupler sound. And if we go in reverse, It's kind of nice. You can turn that on or off with programming. I like it. It's a nice feature. F7, by the way, is your ditch lights on and off, just in case you're curious about that. Compressor. Okay, sorry about that. My video cut off for a second there, and we're back. All right, so we made it through the air compressor sound, which is right there, which is F4. You can manually throttle up and down, which is F5 and 6. So there's F5 topping it up, and F6 topping it back down. This has a nice feature to the decoder where it detects the load on the locomotive from the train behind you, or if it's in a consist, and the sound will automatically throttle up and down based off of that, which is really neat. I have it in a few other DMI decoders. I love it. It's a great feature. It brings a lot more life to running around the layout versus a constant notch on the throttle, because it's not how it works in real life. Okay, so a couple other sounds I want to go over that are neat. We're going to skip some of the other things. There's cool stuff in here, so check it all out yourself if you are curious, or if you want to see more, I will happily make another video later. Just let me know. Just comment. It's okay. But cool things that I like. F16 is maintenance radio chatter. Which is neat. F17 is just radio check chatter. Like that too. And what I really like is the yard chatter. And this one's a little bit interactive. You actually do need to listen to it and get moving a little bit, or it plays random sounds based off of how you can interact with it. That's F15. I'll move this forward a little bit. Saw the cab light turn off there. And you can hear it chatter a little bit more. The longer that we sit here, the more that it will chatter. There's even some funny sayings that pop up too. It's kind of a neat feature they programmed in. But yeah, let's see what else. There is track sounds. F23, it's the rail gaps. I'll back this up so you can hear. You can kind of hear that. Not super big fan of those myself personally. I have other locomotives that works a little bit better. BLI did a little bit better job on some of their older decoders, in my opinion, on that sound, but it's still great. And then, of course, you can record macros as typical with Paragon decoders, but last but not least, of course, is shutdown. So F9 again for shutdown. There you have it. Hope you guys liked this quick look at the new ES44AC from BLI. This is technically the 2024 run, so it's a little older, but you can still find them brand new. That's what I did with this one. And hope you guys got some good input out of it. And if it's a locomotive you're considering to get, I would highly recommend it.